Well, this is David's little LS. He's the local guy here. Just got done dynoing it. Obviously it's turbo. Tried to put all his stuff out of his vehicle on it, as you can see. So he upgraded his motor and still's got his old turbo here. It's a little small, and just kind of wanted to make sure everything kind of functionally worked okay for him. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty here, let's see, power wise we tuned on a little bit there, 760. Still got a ways to go as far as tune up. It's only 10 pounds of boost. The bad thing, little turbo, it's got 25 pounds of back pressure already, so kind of a frugal attempt right at this point in time. He knows that he's gonna get another turbo for it and stuff, so everything's sound on the motor. And get her off there, you can get in the vehicle and another turbo and rock on. Have a great day.